my name is Vilius Babaliauskas, and this is my individual video on my object-oriented programming project. I worked with a team which is named BBL on building a chess game, and my main roles were exhibitor and critic. Let me start with the exhibitor role. Basically, I was in charge of the team reports, which were PDF files we had to create and send in for each stage of the project. I helped put them together, updated them when we made changes, and made sure everything was filled out properly. I also created new versions when we had to fix something or add more details. Then I was the one who actually submitted them. The only part that I wasn't really proud of was the other two individual videos that my teammates made. But for everything else, I was the one preparing and submitting the team's documents. I also reviewed the reports before sending them just to catch any mistakes or things we forgot to mention. Now for my other role, I was the critic, which meant I was testing the game and helping checking the code. I played through the game many times, trying different moves and looking for bugs or things that didn't work right. I also tried to break the game on purpose sometimes just to see what would happen if someone did something unexpected. And a lot of the times I was successful and in a way that contributed to the project greatly because my teammates tried to fix those mistakes. Also, when I found problems, I'd write them down and share them with the team so it would be easier to track everything. Besides that, I gave feedback on how the code was written, like if something could be cleaner or easier to understand. Even though my main job wasn't writing the code, I did help out with the ideas, especially in the beginning when we were figuring out how to structure everything. We all supported each other, so even if we had different roles, it was really a team effort. Probably the trickiest part for me was keeping track of time which I spent on the task. I didn't really count every minute, so in the reports I just give my best guess, but I think it's a fair estimate overall. I'm proud of the work I did, especially making sure our game was stable and our reports were solid. I think we did a good job as a team, and I'm happy I could play a part in that. This is just some examples that I have. This is the source code, mainly only the classes for our code, and I gave most of the ideas for them, and I'll be explaining them more on the actual project report, not just on my individual one. And this is just a short like picture of only the first two punctuations in our team report, but basically I was the one writing them and my team helped me create some diagrams, but I made sure everything written in them was correct and not faulty. So yeah, I think I did my job as the exhibitor and critic quite well, and I'm happy that I could be a part of this project. Thank you. That is it.